Hello, fellow Wazzers, and in this episode, you'll see me making a veggie drink, a new hobby I've taken up as I'm going into my health kick for 2021. A change in my life, ditching the sugary snacks, as it were, and going for the fruit and the vegetables and getting out running. As you'll see on this channel, as we change, I'll be getting out more and more, out on the road, running and walking, and taking the camera along with me, so you guys can enjoy it too. We'll get back to what the channel's narrative was to begin with, visiting new places, as they say, was here, and I'll be visiting each place, walking or running or cycling, and ditching the car to use my legs instead. So join the Wazir community, become a Wazzer, and come along for the journey. Like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments below. Let me know where you would go if you could run, walk, or maybe you run already and you've got some inspirational advice that you can give me and others that are maybe on the same journey, that are going to change their ways from the sitting down, not doing a lot, eating and drinking, and they're going to take up a health kick. So, over to you guys. Give us your input. Speak to you all later. Bye. Peace.